number 91, which is periodical assessment first. In this assessment, question asked from chapter 1 to 5 for you. Let us start one by one question and boost up our concept. So first question is fill in the blanks. First, minus 8 divided by 4 plus 12 is equal to. So what is the value at this? Filling the blanks. So any expression having different operations like division, addition, then we have to use here BODMAS rule. So according to BODMAS, all of you know that first of all division is performed here. So minus 8 divided by 4 we will get 2, and 2 plus 12 we will get 14 is the answer for this question. And the third question is 8 divided by 1 by 2 raised to the power 0, and any value raised to the power 0 is always equal to 1. So its meaning is 8 divided by 1 means if any number is divided by 1 we will get exact the same number. So here we have to fill 8 is the correct answer. The correct answer for this question is 8. Question number 2 and 4 we have to do as your homework, and let us see the next question. The next question is the number 5 can be written in scientific notation as. 5 can be written as scientific notation as 5 can be written as scientific notation as 5 multiply 10 raised to the power 0, because 10 raised to the power 0 means its value is 1, and 1 multiply 5 we will get 5 as our answer. So we can write 5 in scientific notation as 5 multiply 10 base raised to the power 0. See on page 92, second question, answer T for true and false. F. So first question is 24 divided by 44 is equivalent to 2 upon 4. Check whether this value is equal to its simplest form 2 upon 4. So if you cancel out this term, 24 upon 44 will do 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, then 12 upon 22, then again 2 6 ja 12, 2 11 ja 22, and 2 3 ja no. The simplest form is 6 upon 11, and if you find 2 upon 4 in its simplest form, we will get 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 2, so 2 2 ja 4, so 1 upon 2 is the simplest form of right hand side. So 6 upon 11 and 1 upon 2, these two terms are not in its equal if we find the simplest form of both the fractions. So we can say that this is the false statement for the question. So we can say that 24 upon 44 is not equivalent to 2 upon 4. So this statement is false. We write here F for false. Second question is 3 raised to the power 6 and its raised to the power 2 is equal to 3 raised to the power 36. In case of an expression written as power of power, so power will be multiplied to each other, and when we multiply this power, now see the what value we will get. After multiplying 6 to the 2, we will get 6 to the 12, means this value is 3 raised to the power 12, and 3 raised to the power 12 is not equal to the 3 raised to the power 36. So this statement or this expression is left hand side and right hand side both are not equal. So we can write here F for false. F for false. In the same way, question number 3, 4 and 5, you will do it as your homework in your homework notebook of question 2. Now let us go to the next question, question number 3, which is short answer type question level 1. And the third question is how many 1 by 8s are there is 37 combination 1 by 2. It means 37 combination 1 by 2 we have to write here as the base 1 as 1 by 8, and how many power is we have to write here. So this is the answer for this question. Now let us do how can we write this. This statement we can write in mathematical. Hello student, let us see the question number 3. How many 1 by 8s are there is 37 combination 1 by 2. It means if we divide this 1 by 8 to the given mixed fraction 37 combination 1 by 2, how many 1 by 8s we will get. So this will be identified by dividing the mixed fraction to the 1 by 8. So in mathematical way we can write as (37) combination 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 8. 37 multiplied 2 means 74 plus 1 divided by 2 here divided by 1 by 8, and this means 75 divided by 2. If we this divide change in multiply sign, so write numerator as a denominator and denominator as a numerator, means 8 upon 1, and after solving we will get 2 4 8 4, and 75 multiplied by 4 we will get 300. So 300 will be the correct answer of this question. Means 1 by 8 we can 300 times is of equal to the 37 combination 1 by 2. So 300 will be the correct answer for this question. Next question, question number 4 is find the value of 5 upon 7 raised to the power 0. 0 means its value will be 1, plus 5 upon 7 its power 0 means again 1, multiply 5 upon 7 its value 0 means this will be again 1, minus 1 by 5 by 7 upon power 0, it means this is all 1, and all this value is replaced by 1 1 1. So 1 plus 1 multiply 1 minus 1. Now how can we solve this value? Let us see. Now 1 plus 1 multiply 1 minus 1. There is 3 sign plus, multiply and minus. So according to BODMAS, first of all we have to multiply these two numbers, and 1 multiply 1 we will get 1, and again write so on. Then we will get, or we will do addition first according to BODMAS rule. So 1 plus 1 we will get 2 minus 1, and 2 minus 1 we will get 1 as the final answer for this question. So question number 4, the value of this large expression is 1. Question number 5, you will do it as your homework in your homework notebook. Next question is short answer type question, level 2. The question says the product of two rational number is this. If one of the number is minus 1 by 8, then find the other number. The product means multiplication of two number. It means the multiplication of two number is this, and if we have one number is minus 1 by 8, then other number how can we get? We can get by dividing 3 by 16 to the number or fraction minus 1 by 8. So you can also do it this question as your homework. Next question is question number 7. Write the decimal representation of this up to 3 places of decimal. It means minus 5 upon 6 we have to find the value up to 3 decimal. So minus 5 upon 6, minus 5 is divided by 6. So let us see how can we do this question. Minus 5 is divided by 6. So first of all remove this sign, and we will know in answer we will get minus as the negative sign. So 5 is divided by 6 means 5 is a lesser number, so we have to need here add 1 0. 6 50 divided by 6 means 6 4 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42, and 6 8 ja 48. So it means 8 times table we can write here 6 8 ja 48. After subtraction we will get 2. Again place here 0 value, and 6 3 ja we will get 18. Then again we will get 2, and we have to find here up to 3 decimal places. So again we have to need divide this 20 by 6. So we will get 3. 6 3 ja 18. So our answer will be minus because of the question sign. So our answer will be minus 0.833, and this is the answer up to 3 decimal places of this question. So this will be the correct answer for this question. And so on, question 8 you can also do it as your homework, and rest of the question I will discuss in my next class. Okay, thank you.